Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on getting started with Java on a PC, including installation, writing a simple program, and understanding the basics of the language. ###tutorial, getting started with Java on PC. #####1. Installing Java Development Kit, JDK. To develop Java applications, you first need to install the Java Development Kit, JDK. Here are the steps. Download JDK. Go to the Oracle JDK download page, https://www.oracle.com/java-jdk11-jdk-downloads.html, or you can opt for OpenJDK from the Adoptium, https://adoptium.net, website. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Install JDK. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install the JDK on your computer. By default, it usually installs in C/program files /java/jdk-version. Set environment variables, Windows. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, find the path variable and click Edit. Add the path to the bin directory of the JDK installation, example C/program files /java/jdk-version/bin. Create a new variable named Java_home and set its value to the JDK installation path. Verify installation. Open command prompt and type Java version and JavaC version. You should see version information for both Java Runtime Environment, JRE, and Java Compiler, JavaC. #####2. Writing your first Java program. Now that you have Java installed, let's write a simple Java program. Create a project directory. Create a folder called Java Projects on your desktop or another location. Create a Java file. Inside the Java Projects folder, create a new file named helloworld.java. Write the Java code. Open helloworld.java in a text editor, like Notepad or any IDE such as IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans, and add the following code. #####3. Compiling and running the program. Now, let's compile and run the program. Open command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. For example, compile the program. Use the javac command to compile your Java file. This will create a file named helloworld.class in the same directory. Run the program. Use the Java command to run the compiled program. You should see the output. #####4. Understanding the code. Let's break down the code we wrote. Public class Hello World. This declares a public class named Hello World. In Java, every application must have at least one class. Public static void main, string args, this is the main method where the program execution begins. The string args parameter allows for command line arguments. System.out.println, hello, world, this line prints the text hello, world, to the console. #####5. Basic Java concepts. Here are some of the fundamental concepts in Java. Variables, used to store data. Data types, Java is statically typed, meaning you must declare the type of a variable. Common data types include int, integer values. double, floating point values. Char, single characters. Boolean, true or false values. Control structures, Java supports conditional statements and loops. If statement. For loop. Methods, blocks of code that perform a specific task and can be called with arguments. Hashtag 6. Next steps. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced topics. Object-oriented programming, OOP, concepts, classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Exception handling, try-catch blocks to handle errors gracefully. Collections, learn about lists, sets, maps, and other data structures. Java libraries, utilize Java's rich set of libraries for various functionalities like networking, file I/O, and GUI development. Hashtag conclusion. You have successfully set up Java on your PC, written, compiled, and run your first Java program. The journey of learning Java has just begun, and there are many resources available online for deeper learning. Happy coding!